In this video, we are going to look at how to save a profile uh, label set. So currently on my screen, you can see my proposed label set here. So they show the start station, grades, and vertical curve data like that. So suppose we need only to see the grades along the profile view. On this tangent section, you only need the grades, but nothing else. So to do that, what we do is we select the profile, then right click, go to edit labels. So it will show currently what are the available things on the profile labels. You can see lines. This means these grades on here. Grade breaks means usually it covers start end locations, and whenever you have a location without a vertical curve, it will consider as a grade break, and the crest curves and sag curves. So what I need is only maybe grade breaks, not no grade breaks actually, only the lines. So what I do is I will click on here and I click this red cross to remove that one and that one and that one. I don't need anything else. I only need the line labels. You can see now my profile curves labels are gone, so they are not more in the visibility. Now what I need is I need to get this quickly later, so I have to save this as a label set. So what I do is I go to here, save label set. I see on this side I say new new profile label set, would say grade only. So it will only shows the grade, and I click OK and click OK back again. So now it should only show grades. So if you need to show the grades on this one, which is not a good one anyway, but if you only want to show the grades on this one, I'll click here and go to edit labels and go to import label set. From here you can straight away use grade only, then click OK. So you will see all the grades. So if you have to show certain profile labels, you can use this option. You can set those labels and save them as a label set so that you can use them in other profile views or in future drawings if you use that, if you do that on a template.